Hey guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make the best banana popsicle on earth. As you can tell, they look delicious, so I don't want to keep you waiting on this tutorial. So let's get started. You'll be needing a banana, chocolate syrup, 2 popsicle sticks per banana, a knife, and sprinkles. Doesn't matter the amount, because it's optional. Then peel the banana, cut it in half. But wait, you could use melted chocolate chips instead, but it will be harder and trickier to get on the banana. Then start adding your chocolate syrup and spread it around like I do. Or you could just add the chocolate syrup in a bowl and spread it around there. I find this option easier. After you add the popsicle stick to one side of your banana, it's time to add your sprinkles. It looks so delicious already, but now it's time to delicious the other banana. And add the sprinkles. So guys, it's been 2 hours and I just took my banana popsicle out of the freezer. Let me take a bite and tell you guys how delicious it is. So guys, as you can tell, I took a bite out of this one and it's very frozen, as you can see. So my suggestion to you is to leave it be for 5 minutes, no less and no longer. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe and like for more. Until next time, bye!